Hello, got a delivery. Mike. Delivery for Mike. Yeah, right there. There you go, no problem.
Thank you.
Marvin? It's 220.05. That's not you, right? Got it. Thank you. Yep, got it. Yep. Thank you. Oh, it's okay, man. Yeah. I appreciate it, man. Thank you. Hello.
Hello, thank you.
No problem. Bye. Ooh, nice bike. Alright, boys. And there we got it. Second order of the day. What is up, y'all? Brand new video. You guys have the vibes. We're outside with it. It's a beautiful day. The sun is out. A bit windy, but not too much, you know. I got the NV front wheel and the NV back wheel. I changed it this morning because, you know, since it's too windy, I don't want to ride with the tri-spoke and have the wind push me all over, you know. It's super light. So anyways, it's a beautiful day out. I hope you guys are out there killing it, doing what you gotta do, feel me? Gotta get to it, because remember, no one's gonna get it for you. You gotta go get it yourself, right? So shout out to all of you guys for showing the love, for showing mad love, and for the constant support. You guys are killing it. I've been meeting you guys in the streets, which is pretty dope, because like I never thought, like, you know, I have people that will actually support me and, you know, watch and enjoy the vlogs, you feel me? So big shout out to all of you guys out there killing it, doing what you gotta do, feel me? Right now we just finished dropping off the second order of the day. We're about to head back to the shop, pick up more orders, so it should be busy. So let's see how the day goes. And yeah, so remember, sit back, enjoy, eat some popcorn, and enjoy the video. So let's get to it, boys. All right, let me show you guys the whip really quick. So this is what I'm rocking right now, because you guys been asking in the comments to show you guys what I'm rocking. So currently I got the Pinarello pistol track frame with the white bars. I'm about to show you guys right now. So take a look at this bad boy. Got the NVs, right? I don't know if you can see because, you know, like there's no sun, but it looks nicer in the sun. But either way though, I'm also trying to get white decals, but it's just, you know, hard because like I have to like, you know, hit up the person that makes these decals, and you know, like sometimes it's hard because, you know, like you know, sometimes they're busy and I don't want to bother them, whatever. So yeah, I'm gonna order them from Envy website and see what's up, you know. So anyways, yeah, these are the Envy rims, a bit dirty, but I gotta clean her up with the DT Swiss hub. I got a 14 on this back wheel, the Zoomy. No, this is the black chain. Yeah, I gotta change it to a gold one. I got this lizard skin chain protector which protects the frame. For those of you that want to copy, you guys could go to I think World Cycles. I'll put it in the link in the description. Anyways, I got this nice Thompson C-post, this nice Specialized saddle, 143 for those of you asking. It's a pretty nice size because, you know, it just fits perfect, like small. But if you guys have a big butt, you feel me, you got to get a bigger one, like 145. But I like 143 preferably because it's pretty nice. So I got this nice Y bars, zero tolerance construction bars. So for those of you who are asking, these are 780. I got the lizard skin grip tape, put them on myself. That's what they look, kind of bulky, but either way, you know, we out here killing it. I got this nice Thompson 3 Elite stem with the carbon top cap. You can't see it. And also, if you guys been asking a lot like what kind of phone holder I use, I got a quad lock phone holder. It's pretty nice and durable. As you guys can see right here, look, peep. I gotta get it replaced because, you know, like this one's already fucked. Like it kind of shakes. I want to get the one that you put on the handlebars right over here. This one's better, but this one's is for now. I got the one at the house. I might just take that one out and put it on the handlebar. So, and I also got these bell. I forgot the name of it, but I'll link it in the description. So yeah, this is it. It's pretty loud. Got the front Envy. This is a 70, and no, actually that's a 60, and this is a 70. As you guys can see, it's more thicker. I got this nice Omniums. They discontinued, by the way, so I don't know if you guys could like get to it, but these are the nice cranks. These are my first cranks. I actually fuck with it because, you know, they're like simple, and I mean, they just look nice. Coming out, look at this. Hey yo. Anyways, 165 length size. So for those of you guys that like to do all those curvy turns, and not only that, but like, you know, like if you want to feel more faster or whatever, get 165. So yeah, 165. Got the Zen Chen with the red bolts, custom. Got them at the local bike shop, King Cog. So if you guys could go check it out, you know, maybe copy yourself some. Anyways, nice Pinarello. And I got the front wheel, Lacy DT Swiss. And that's it, boys. And I also got this top two cover. You guys been asking a lot where I bought this from. I actually bought this at a Chinese bike store somewhere like in Chinatown. So yeah, if you guys want to know, I'll go check it out and see if they have more, maybe do a giveaway, feel me? So like this video, feel me, because that helps a lot, you know. And also subscribe to the channel if you haven't, so because that also helps a lot. And shout out to all of you guys for getting me to 8K followers on Instagram. You guys are the best. Like, you guys are killing it, and I'm pretty like stoked because like I never thought like people would be out there supporting and enjoying the vlog. So anyways, guys, one more last time showing you guys the whip. I'm gonna show you guys a better view once we get to a different location. So yeah, let's get back to the shop, pick up more orders, see what the day has to provide us, and enjoy the vlog, feel me? So sit back, enjoy some popcorn, and enjoy the ride. Hello, I got a delivery for MCM. I'll give it to you. Copy. Give me 1 second, I'm gonna take it out. Ugh. It's a whole big bag right here. Let's see. Could it be this one? Negative. I'm dead. MCM store, yep, there you go. So it's 2 bags. It's for Paloma?
Yeah.
Here you go.
Thank you.
No problem.
All right.
I'm on your right. I'm outside. Nice.
Nuclear if somebody comes upstairs.
It's cool. There you go.
Thank you so much.
No problem. You too. Got a delivery, 3S. Copy. There you go. Thank you, man. Where are you right now? You in the city? Alright boys, this is dropping off our next, oh fuck. Alright, before I get copyrighted, we just finished dropping off the 4th order, the 5th order. We had the bag full of orders. It was alright because it wasn't that heavy, you feel me? It only gets heavier when you get 2 bags and they're like they're filled with 750 bottles, you know what I mean? Like the size, you know, like 750 bottles, like those, yeah, and 2 bags of those. Forget about it. But anyways, I hope you guys are killing it out there, feel me? Got the drone out, it feels amazing. Compared to the tri-spoke, like the tri-spoke, I feel like the wind pushes me even more further. But with this wheel, oof, forget about it. I like the sound of it, it just spins so smooth. Anyway guys, as you guys can see, we outside. Skies are kind of cloudy. The sun was out earlier, but now the sun is out, gone. So hopefully, you know, doesn't rain or whatever. I mean, it's not gonna rain because they said that this whole week's gonna be so nice. So tomorrow's Thursday, I'm off, and you know, I might go hit up the city, do some laps with the boys, or go to the skate park. So who knows, because it's been a while since I went to the skate park and I kind of miss it. I do miss it, not I kind of miss it, I miss it, but it's just that, you know, we out here killing it, getting into it, you know, making moves, feel me? So just like all of you guys should be doing, you know, making moves. Anyways, I'm gonna strap you guys on and enjoy the ride. Yes sir. There what? Yeah, what about it? So you want to live in Seattle? What's up? Oh, word? I bet. Say less. Say less. Say less. Say less. It's a wrap for this nigga. Say less. Say less. Say less. I got you. It's a wrap for this nigga. Hello.
Hello. 1 second.
Here you go.
Sweet. Thank you.
No problem, man.